Now, a short video on chicken care. So, first things first, you say, "Hello ladies! How are you? How's your day?" And then the second thing you do is you turn off the electric fence. After you've turned off the electric fence, then there's a few different ways you can access it. At the moment it's set up so that we can just take this down a little bit and step over. And that's something that we want to be mindful of when we are setting up the chicken tractor in a new location, is how we're going to set up the fence and how we're going to access. That's a consideration to be made. And look at these happy chickens. They're so happy, aren't you? So that's the chicken tractor, obviously. So we can just check each day. So soon they will start laying, and hopefully if they lay in the laying box, the eggs will roll out into this little section here. So you can collect the eggs while you're here. This is the water jug here. You want to just check. It's feeling really heavy at the moment, which means it's full of water. So if you just check that, if you check it every day, that's a good idea. And then there's a hose in here that you can attach to one of the taps close to here to refill from the top. And the water is connected to a little tube that goes down here. Just there. And then it comes out the little nipples. And the chickens drink directly from there. So collect the eggs, check the water. And then over here on the side, you'll see where their food goes. So just pull that out, have a look. So it's about a quarter full at the moment. And I've just been observing how long the food lasts and still kind of sorting that out, because their consumption has been a little bit different because they were new, and then also they've been eating other things, scraps, and they've been growing. So it'll all just be like a learning as we go process, but one bag of food has been lasting approximately 3 weeks. So I've only been putting half a bag in at a time, which means topping it up about every week and a half, 10 days or so. But what we could do is put the full bag in, and it would last 2 to 3 weeks. I've also noticed some rat droppings and things around, and possibly bandicoot, so we might be feeding things other than just our chickens at the moment. But the chickens are very happy, healthy looking. They're calming down, getting more friendly. They've learned how to use their watering thing. Now because the camera's on them, they're not going to. There we go. Yeah. And we can move the chicken tractor, just observe like the grass, how much grass they have left, if they're doing any damage to the ground, if they're ripping up the grass, making bare patches or anything like that, you might need to move them sooner. And we're getting a nice concentration of chicken manure underneath the chicken tractor. I've just shifted it ever so slightly just to spread that around. And that's high nitrogen nutrients going straight into the ground, which then will break down and filter down all over bellbunya.